Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I'm currently short in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. Starting here on the daily chart, we can see Bitcoin has been delivering to the sell side here pretty much over the last, let's say, week and a half here. So we're going to have a overall bearish bias, and then we'll go down here to the 1 hour for intraday. Here is the London session where you're seeing this right here. Actually, let's move this over. Where you're seeing these gold lines right here. This is the high, this is the low of the London session. Then here is the New York AM session over here. And with that New York AM session, this is the high of the New York AM session so far, which comes up and wicks above this London session. This sweep of the buy side liquidity above the London session gives me a short trade idea. So I'm looking for a short to take to the next level of liquidity. So here on the 60-minute, the next level of liquidity would really be down here below these relatively equal lows here. There's going to be sell side. There's also going to be liquidity resting here in these fair value gaps here, or these buy side imbalances and sell side inefficiencies, these two right here. So 3 areas of interest where there's going to be liquidity, and finally the main liquidity area or liquidity pool resting below these near equal lows here. So to get an entry on that, let's come here to the 5-minute, and you can see just before the open here, there's a market structure shift right here at this level to the short side. So as price created this market structure shift here, price continued to deliver to the sell side, pull back to the buy side. I was able to take an entry here, and then you can also see there is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency here, or a bearish fair value gap here. And then was able to take price as it was delivered, sell side here, first partial, sell side here, second partial, and now final profit has just been taken here as the sell side liquidity has just been swept out here on the 60-minute. So third profit taken. So now sell side liquidity resting below this level. This level here, also here on the 60-minute. Is the low of yesterday's PM session. If you can see here in this area here, there's a brown line here and a brown line here. So these would denote the highs and lows of the New York PM session. Okay, and we can see this buy side delivery from yesterday, which I was able to take advantage of, has now reversed and rebalanced this area. So we have some SIBIs here, some sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiencies here. Let's check what is the high here. 616. What's the low here? Okay. Alright. Actually, technically this candle isn't closed, so we're going to bring it up here. But if this candle closes without trading back above the high, then I will move this square down to encompass the fair value gap, which this candle closes below here, then it'll balance this range here. Then if we come over here to trading history for today, you can see my entry here at 820, and then here at 91, 415.8 for 0.012, then at 913, 1004, and 1012 we get covering here, 0.004 for each one. First cover 94.17.7, second cover 89.450, 455.3, and last cover 88.538.7. For total profits here, that's going to be 4. That's going to be, actually, let's just plug in here, 3.99 plus 7.84 plus 11.51 for total profits so far today of 23.34. Alright. Pretty cool so far. We'll come back to the charts and we'll see if price will trade back into this area. So we'll see what the PM session has to offer. Potentially more trade opportunities, or this could be just the main trade opportunity for the day today. So if that is the case, I am content. If there are any more opportunities, whether in the New York PM session or the Asian session, I will be on the lookout for those. But this trade idea, I think overall risk to reward, which is going to be skewed here just because I've taken partials, but the full, let's say, what was it? R to R was, for the last position, was a 4.75 to 1 reward to risk ratio for the final 0.004 BTC of the position. So overall, last couple of days, if we look back, been able to take full advantage of my system here. You can see this short trade here. You can see a short trade here. See this long trade here. I missed this long trade here. And then you can see catching this short trade here. So definitely have improved my consistency and bias overall. So definitely trading much better since I have sorted out my entry criteria and confirmations here. So overall, pretty good day today so far. And again, just going to keep an eye out just in case any other trading opportunities present themselves in the New York PM or Asian session. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade together. We'll see you next time.